Hello guys, welcome to Say Shadow Lessons. Please guys, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share these videos. All right, so as for this lesson, we are going to focus on how to deal with what you call coordinate geometry. So we want to focus on the topic coordinate geometry, basically dealing with this concept. All right. So please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. All right. So those who are going to sit for final external exam SIMSEC, all right. So please, kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you enjoy more videos on this platform. Right. So those who are going to write, I'm going to provide an advert, in a WhatsApp advert for the seminar we're going to hold through WhatsApp. So for those who are going to write for both O-level mathematics and A-level mathematics, please join the link. I'm going to share the link in different groups so that if you made that group, kindly join so that you can enjoy our affordable final exam preparation. We are going to hold around 1 day or 2 days before the final exam. All right, so let's deal with this one. Coordinate geometry. All right, we are given this question in the diagram. The line, we are given this diagram, like the diagram. In the diagram, the line 5y is equals to 2x plus 15. Here the line 5y is equals to 2x plus 15 intersects with the x-axis. Yes, it intersects with the x-axis at point C, at C, and y-axis at B. Here in the y-axis at B. The line is also parallel. This line is also parallel to the line L, which passes through the point 0 minus 2. All right. So the questions you are given is find the coordinates of B. We want to find the coordinates of B. Then, all right. Item 2, gradient of the line L. We want to find the gradient of this line. All right. We want to find the gradient of this line. Write down the equation of the line L in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Like I said before, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. All right, let's focus on the solution, on how best can we deal out with this such type of question. All right, so what I'm saying here is whenever we are dealing with what we call coordinate geometry, basically it's all about the coordinates and the equations of a line, gradient, etc. All right, so let's attack the first part. Find the coordinates of B, right? Just remember, B, the coordinates of B are found where the line y, 5y is equals to 2x plus 15, cast the y-axis and also cast the x-axis. But remember, we want to find the coordinates of B, whereby this straight line casts the y-axis. All right, what you have to know is whenever a straight line casts the y-axis, therefore x equal to 0. Whenever a straight line casts the x-axis, y equal to 0. This is what you have to know before attempting this question. All right. So we want to find the coordinates of B. Here is B, but where the line 5y is equal to 2x plus 15 casts the y-axis at point B. What you have to do is let's use that question we are given. So what I'm saying here is item 1. We want to find the coordinates of B. The coordinates of B. But remember, for the coordinates of B is where the straight line casts the y-axis. So we are using the given straight line, which is 5y equals 2x plus 15, right? But the straight line casts the y-axis at point B. So the first coordinate, whenever the straight line casts the y-axis, x is 0. So the first coordinate you have is x is equals to 0. Let's find the y coordinate. How best can we find y coordinate? Remember, for us to find the y coordinate, it's where the line x is equal to 0, which is here. This one, which lies vertically. When this line x is equal to 0 intersects with this line at this point, we solve simultaneous, right? So how best can you solve that simple simultaneous? of which x is equal to 0, simple substitution. Where there is x, you put 0. All right. So this becomes 5x equals 2x plus 15. But where there is x is 0, so this is 5y. So 5y equals, where there is x, you put 0. It becomes 2 times 0 plus 15. This gives us 5y equals to 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 15, you get 15. All right, divided by 5. Divided by 5. Y equals to 3. So therefore, here are the coordinates of B. Here are the coordinates of B. Where there is x, x is 0. X is 0, y is 3. Remember, the coordinates are always written in the form x, y. We start with the value of x, then the value of y. Here are the values of the coordinates of B. This is the best way in order to do with such type of question. All right. So let's consider part B. Gradient of a straight line L. Right. We want to find the gradient of this straight line L. This gradient of the straight line L, which is simply parallel to the line 5y is equals to x plus 15. Right. Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. All right. So we want to find the gradient of the line L, right? But we are only given the coordinates, which is 0 minus 2, and given this line, which is line L, and you want to find the gradient of that line L. But remember, we are given here where there is the line is also parallel to line L. This line 5y is equals to x plus 15 is also parallel to this line. Just note that parallel lines have same gradient. All right. Parallel lines have same gradient. So what you have to do is, since you know that this line is part of this line, they have same gradient. So basically what you have to do is, you just write this equation and find the gradient for that equation. The gradient for this line is also similar to the gradient of this line, because these two lines, they are parallel to each other. Remember, parallel lines have same gradient. All right. So let me wrap here. All right, we are moving on. It's item 2. Right, so since parallel lines have same gradient, so let's just write this line and define the gradient of that line, which is 5y equals 2x plus 15. All right, we want to find the gradient. For us to find the gradient, first of all, what you have to do is we have to leave our answer in the form, the equation of this line in the form y equals mx plus. It simply means make y the subject of formula. I want to make y the subject of formula here. Right, so to make y the subject of formula here, we have 5y is equals to 2x plus 15. All right, so to make y the subject, simply divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divided by 5. This gives us 5 is y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 5 into 15, which is 3. Which is 3. That's the equation of this line 5y is equals to x plus 15 in the form y is equals to m by c. Hence, let's just take the coefficient. The coefficient of x is the gradient. Then this one is the y-intercept. When you are trying to draw this line, yes, it casts the y-axis at 3. So here there's 3. Like I said before, here there's 3. Since I managed to find the coordinates of B, yes, I managed to get 0 and 3. So the y coordinate is always 3. Alright, so the gradient of this line is the coefficient of x, which is m. So meaning to say, the gradient of this line is 2 over 3. But the gradient of such line is also similar to the gradient of line L. Why? These two lines, they are parallel to each other. All right, please, after watching, let's subscribe, turn on your notification button so that you continue enjoying more videos. All right, so since the gradient of this line is similar to this line, what you have to do is the gradient of line L, gradient of L equals to same gradient, which is 2 over 3. That's the gradient of line L. Right, let's go to the last part. Write down the equation of line L in the form y is equals mx plus c. We want to write down the equation of line L, which is in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Why you are given this? Some questions you may be given, they came like, leave your answer in the form ay plus bx plus c equal to 0. There are several forms we can leave our solution for the equation of a line. All right. So remember, we want to find the equation of a line L, but now we have the gradient, which is 2 over 3. We have the coordinates where the line L casts one of the where the x-axis y-axis, but this one managed to cut the y-axis at point 0 minus 2. So we want to use the gradient. We have the gradient of line L. Here are the coordinates, right? So it's cheap. So what you have to do is which is the last part, right? For the last part, what you have is we have the coordinates, which is 0 minus 2, and the gradient grad, which is 2 over 3. So what you have to do is we have to say y minus b over x minus a is equals to gradient. That's the formula you can use whenever you are given the coordinates, the 4 coordinates, and the gradient, right? Remember, we want to find the equation of a line, all right? So this gives us y minus, where there's b, we take the y value. Here is the y value, here is the y value, right? Then here is the x value, here is y, here is x, all right? So this gives us y minus 2 over x minus 0, which is equals to, what's the gradient here? Which is 2 over 3, all right? This gives us y plus 2 over x, because x minus 0, we get 0. With x minus 0, we get x just because 0 is no effect. This is equals to 2 over 3. Let's apply cross multiplication here. Then now we have 2 times, we have 3 is multiplying y plus 2, which is equals to 2 is multiplying x. All right, let's multiply 3 times y, which you get 3y plus 6 is equals to 2x. Just remember, I want to leave our answer in the form y equals mx plus c. All right. So this gives us 3y equals 2x. This one to this side become minus 6. Let's divide by 3 to make y the subject. So y equals 2 over 3 x minus 3 into 6, which is 2, minus 2. Here is the equation of the line L in the form y equals mx plus c. Like I said before, after watching, please don't forget to subscribe. So for those who are going to join my final October-November exam preparation for both O-level and A-level, please kindly join the groups I'm going to share soon, right? So the seminar will be affordable to everyone. So if you join, you excel, right? So just kindly join this seminar so that we can assist each other in your areas of weakness, so that you can excel your final exam. Just pass once with say shadow. So thank you guys for being together on this simple lesson on what you call coordinate geometry, dealing with the lines, gradients, coordinates, and even parallel lines in different areas of coordinate geometry. Thank you so much. Enjoy this simple lesson.